and welcome to a new episode of Trains App, and today we're at Chesterfield on the Midland Mainline. We're seeing services from cross country, Northern and East Midlands Railway. Here is the 1805 cross country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverley, worked by a former Avanti West Coast 221 and a standard cross country 220. Oh, it's 221125, I do apologise. Well, the weather has turned incredibly English, and as a result, I was contemplating the best places to stand to film from here. And on the basis that the canopy on platform 2 is pretty bloody small, I thought, well, platform 1 is probably going to be my best bet. Decent-ish views all round. Unfortunately, there's going to be no freight to be seen. Massive shame, but it appears that during my entire day on the Midland Mainline thus far, I have not seen, well, I have seen a freight train, and that was when I was at Sheffield earlier on this afternoon, waiting for my trains before I started off all the filming. And even then, it was just an aggregates train by DB. Beyond that, I've not seen a single freight train at all, even in between travelling from stations. So it's a disappointing day freight-wise on the Midland Mainline, but we shall soldier on as best we can. I'm going to put my teeth back in because evidently I've lost the ability to perform, and yeah, that as well. Try again. There we go. Create, well done, coherent sentences. There you go, jolly good. Right then, so with that all babbling out of the way, to see what else shall turn up. Okay, the next train to arrive, and amongst the driving rain and heavy wind is going to be the 1808 cross-country service from Edinburgh Waverley to Plymouth, worked by a pair of Class 220 Voyagers. So coming in with a rather scruffy front end is going to be (220.031), and I shall get the rear when she departs. Okay then, about ready to depart 3 minutes late is going to be the 1808 cross-country service to Plymouth via Birmingham New Street. Next calling point for this service will be Derby. And 220.030 brings up the rear, running in numerical order. You'd love to see it. God, that brings back the memories, doesn't it? Never again. Okay, the next train to make an appearance, coming in a minute late, is going to be the 1812 East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. It's 222.023. Just bouncing away in. Okay, about ready to depart now 3 minutes late is going to be the 1812 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Whenever you're ready. There you go. What a racket! Okay, the next train to pass through is going to be a cross-country Voyager running 4 minutes late from Reading to York. Yeah, there ain't any way I'm getting the number for that one. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1822 Northern Service from Leeds to Nottingham, worked by a 2-car 195. So this is 195010. Okay then, 195010 is about ready to depart with the 1822 Northern Service to Nottingham. Okay, coming in 6 minutes late is going to be the 1821 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. We've got some Turbostars. 172.08 leading. And 174.18 on the rear. Lovely job. Okay, then about ready to depart now is going to be the late running 1821 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, the next train to pass through, coming through 3 minutes late, is going to be a cross-country Voyager running from Newcastle to Birmingham New Street. And that is worked by 220.022. And into the rainfall she goes. Okay, the next train to arrive after what seems like an eternity is going to be the 1849 East Midlands Railway service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. And this is worked by 222.017. Oh, and someone's car alarm's going off. Okay then, 222.017 is about ready to depart with the 1849 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. certainly aren't the quietest things pulling away, are they? Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1854 East Midlands Railway service from from Liverpool Lime Street to Nottingham, worked by a pair of 158s. (158.864) is leading, and I shall get the rear when she leaves. Okay, then about ready to depart now is going to be the 1854 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Ignore the fact that a destination board on the front of 864 does say Norwich. Thank you very much. (158.770) brings up the rear. Turning away from the driver there, thank you very much, sir. Also coming in at the same time is going to be the 1856 Northern service from Nottingham to Leeds, worked by one of their Class 195s. I was actually expecting her to be coming in a bit faster, but you know, we'll keep recording so we can get a feel for this in real time. I have to say that the lights on these 195s, I mean, the camera makes them look a bit blurry, but when you're looking right at these things, good lord, they are incredibly bright. And it sees the return of 195.017. Lovely. Okay then, 195.007. Did I say 017? It's supposed to be 007. I can't read. Is about ready to depart now with the 1856 Northern service to Leeds. Where do they get 017 from? Absolutely no idea. Okay, coming in now is 222.011 that was supposed to be working a service to Sheffield, but because of a lack of train crew is being capped here at Chesterfield. This will be forming the 1913 back to London St Pancras. And miraculously it stopped raining as that train's pulled up. If that had been here 5 minutes earlier, everyone would be getting off that thing, and they would be getting absolutely drowned.
Special announcement, customers arriving at platform 3, travelling forward to Sheffield, please make your way to platform 1 for the next available service forward to Sheffield.
And there you go.
Once again, customers just arrived at platform 3, travelling forward to Sheffield, please make your way to platform 1 for the next connecting service forward to Sheffield.
That's going to make this platform very busy. And incoming appears to be one of our Sheffield services. Let's see who we've got here. So this, in theory, should be the late running 1829 service to Sheffield. Yeah, it's coming in half an hour late. 222.003. I've got a feeling 222003 might be held just that little bit longer to allow this lot to get on. Okay, now knocking on the door of leaving 35 minutes late is the 19 something or other. I've given up 18 or whatever it is now. East Midlands Railway service to Sheffield. All caused by train crew being unavailable and the 222 in platform 3 causing all this. And as she thunders away northbound, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I have to say, I'm disappointed coming here. The problem is, as I actually stated in the previous film, on the Midland Mainline, it is complete potluck as to whether or not you actually get any freight. And as I mentioned at the top of the show, there hasn't been a single bit of freight on here all day, with the exception of one aggregates train that I saw earlier on this afternoon at Sheffield. But, you know, can't win them all. Right, now I think the next station from here is Alfreton, or something along those lines, but that'll be where I'm going next. Hopefully next time I visit the Midland Mainline to do that station, there will be a bit more freight going about. But I'm going to make a move onto that EMR intercity service over yonder, and work my way back to Leicester and then drive home. So, until next time, from me here at a very wet, cold and windy Chesterfield on the Midland Mainline, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.